This video explains in a simple language what are DORA metrics and why Accelerate book is important in this regard. So what DORA stands for? DevOps Research and Assessment is what stands for DORA. DORA is a research program by Google. It helps companies achieve the DevOps philosophy of speed and stability by identifying the four key properties of elite DevOps teams. These four properties are called as DORA metrics. Let's have a look at what exactly are these four DORA metrics. DORA metrics have quickly become the gold standard for measuring and understanding software delivery efficiency. The four key matrices are lead time to change, deployment frequency, change failure rate, and mean time to restore. Change lead time or cycle time means time to implement, test, and deliver code for a feature, and it is measured from first commit to deployment. This time starts when a developer finishes his work and commits the change into the repo, and this time ends when that change is deployed into the production. This time includes various stages, and you should also measure time at every stage to know which stage is taking most time. In my experience, testing of the change takes the most time. Try to make testing as much automated as possible and make it part of your development and CI, which is continuous integration. Next one is deployment frequency. Deployment frequency is a number of deployments in a given duration of time. The more deployments with small number of changes, the better, because it reduces blast radius if something goes wrong. Plus, the changes get deployed quickly, hence improving change lead time too. Then comes change failure rate or CFR. This is a percentage of deployments which caused a failure in production. Small and more frequent changes are again the key to reduce CFR. Last one is mean time to recovery or MTTR. MTTR is the mean time it takes to restore services after production failure. So if the change is small, then MTTR will be quicker too, which will improve software availability. Now, which tools are available in the market to measure DORA matrices these days? There are various tools which are available. Some are just offshoot features of existing products, and some are totally dedicated to measuring DORA metrics. Some are open source, some are SaaS, some are just agent based. So there is all variety of tools available. Some of the more common ones are CodeFresh, Harness, and Haystack. But all of them are good, and you should just explore and evaluate them as per the requirement. In the past, there have been several attempts at measuring, for example, developer productivity, notably things like lines of code per day, that didn't really work, and they were not backed by science. There was anecdotal evidence that agile and lean methods were yielding better results than the waterfall method, but there was no hard data. This all changed when in 2018 the book Accelerate was published. Authors Jess Humble and Gene Kim were already known for their work in introducing modern methods to the software lifecycle. But the thing was that the scientific work of Nicole Forsgren backed their knowledge up with the science. In the book Accelerate, the Science of Lean Software and DevOps, Building and Scaling High Performing Technology Organizations, Dr. Nicole Forsgren, Jess Hempel, and Gene Kim studied what made separated strong performing technology organizations from their less effective counterparts. This book summarizes years of rigorous research from years of state of DevOps reports, built upon around 20,000 datasets from companies all around the world. The organization studied included startups and enterprises, profit and non-profit organizations, and also the companies which were born digital alongside those that had to go under digital transformation. So I hope this helped. And if you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to put them in the comments in this video. Thank you very much. Bye.